Hello everybody, welcome to 3 Minute Investor. I give investment how-tos and information in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to talk about how to read a Fidelity option chain. I'm going to take you through what the columns represent here, as well as how to navigate on the page. I'm going to start off with the strike price. As you can see, this is ascending order. This is essentially a different contract at every price here. You can see that this is the calls, and on the right hand side this is for the puts. You'll notice that there are blue rectangles on each side. That is representing the options that are in the money for their respective strikes. As an example, let's say right here 116. Apple is currently at 116.28, so it's above that strike price. That means it's in the money. The farther you go down in terms of price, the more expensive the option is and the more in the money, or they'll say the deeper it is in the money, and vice versa for the puts. The farther you go up in price, the more expensive the option is. So I'm going to skip over the implied vol and delta for now. That's a little more complicated. I'm going to start first with the open interest. So that is saying the number of contracts that are outstanding. The volume is the number of contracts that have been filled today. Ask is the amount that the sellers are willing to sell per stock. So each contract is 100 shares. So they're asking for $650. Vice versa, the bid, the buyers are looking to pay $640. So the change is representing the amount the premium has changed, or the price per share, I'll say, in a given day. So you can see this negative 74 cents per share. It's gone against the sellers of the option. And the last means the last price that the option was sold at. So it was sold for $650 a contract. So the date on top here is representing the expiration date. That is the time that the option will expire. It is done on a weekly basis. It's not every week. Sometimes they'll skip weeks for holidays, but as you can see, it's typically on a weekly basis. If I want to do any filtering on this page, I can, let's say I just want to look at options on October 30th. I click all of there, and you might be wondering, are these all the strike prices? You can add more strikes. 10 is the default. Click 20 there, click apply, and it takes you here, and obviously you can see there's a lot more. Lastly, I want to talk about the E here. You'll see this green E, that is the expected earnings report. Today's the 22nd, so it'll be in a week. It tells you their estimated earnings per share. This is just something to keep in mind as you place your trades, because it can lead to fluctuations. Also, they'll put in a triangle with a D in the middle, and that just is representing dividends. It's not here in this example, but you will see that. That is my quick tidbit on how to read Fidelity's option chain. Take care, you guys.